How do you measure the employee engagement? How are you doing
So that's
that?
a survey that Madison puts out. It's a 10-question survey. So you look here, we have a negative
My life.
net promoter score.
It's
Went up to
It's like
30.
a customer promoter score. You do
Yeah.
employee net promoter. So how likely are you to recommend this place to work to
Wow.
a friend? 5 question scale. First two
Yeah.
are negative. 3 is neutral. 4, 5 are positive. We count neutral as
So-
negative. So we take the 4s and the 5s, minus the 3 2s and 1s, and
You've gone from way
we
negative
got a
to
100-point
way
swing,
positive.
which we're pretty
That
proud
is
of.
pretty
But
amazing.
this means, the vast majority of people would say, no, I would not. I definitely would not recommend you working here. Here is like the most important stuff.
You see, is this every day of the month, is it?
Yeah, so this is every day of the month. The blanks are obviously the weekends. So if 2 people or more call in unplanned,
Yeah,
it goes
that's right.
So
I love
just
the
to-
graphic.
Just to keep track of that.
And safety is great. It's just you can just glance at it and go, good, not so good.
Yep.
It's really
So
cool.
you go through
Really
that every
like
day.
that.
That's an update for the team. So this is our goal and our actual counter. So the operator will put in what the standard is based on the job traveler. And then if they're not meeting their goal, so this actual will change. So if that cycle time's a minute, so every minute that'll increment. And then the goal is when the actual is when they finish one, there's a button down there they got to hit.
All right, yeah,
And
see that
if
there.
the actual is below the goal, the light will turn red. So that's the Andon that there's an issue.
And do you use them much? Are they useful day to day?
Yeah, they use them. Yep.
Who checks the end?
Supervisor. He's going around, supervisor and team lead. So it's uses AI. So you're actually teaching. So like this area is a red. So in the program, you literally just put switch position 1 top should be red. And you literally just type in red.
All right, so you're making the right wire
Yep.
goes in the right
Yep.
connection.
And then it's just looking for the percentage. Yep, that's 98%. And then basically it'll look for all these wires. It'll look for down here. It'll look for all the switch colors and positions.
That's
It looks for
lovely.
everything here, right colors, connections.
That's brilliant. Love
So,
that.
and we're still developing it, but the goal is to have it launched on this line in November.